Welcome to your guide on getting started with Ledger, the leading provider of secure crypto wallets. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking for a secure way to manage your assets, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore how to purchase a Ledger wallet, specifically the Ledger Stacks, how to set it up, and how to use the Ledger Live app to keep your crypto safe and secure. Why should you choose Ledger? Let's break it down into 3 key features that make Ledger a top choice for crypto security. First, security. Ledger wallets are powered by an industry-leading secure element chip. This chip ensures your private keys never leave the device, protecting your assets from hackers. Second, convenience. The Ledger Stacks is the world's first secure touchscreen wallet. This makes it incredibly easy to review and sign transactions right from the device. Third, versatility. Ledger supports thousands of coins and tokens, giving you the flexibility to manage all your crypto assets in one place. Now let's walk through how to purchase your Ledger Stacks. Start by visiting the Ledger website. All links in the description. Once there, navigate to the products section and find the Ledger Stacks. Click on it to see more details. The Ledger Stacks is the world's first secure touchscreen wallet, designed for convenience and efficiency. Priced at approximately $274, it's powered by the industry-leading secure element chip and Ledger OS, making it easy to review and sign transactions from a single screen. It boasts impressive battery life, lasting up to 10 hours with regular use, and can be personalized with NFT images. You can also protect and charge your Ledger Stacks with the Ledger Magnet Shell accessories, which offer fast wireless charging and the ability to stack multiple devices with built-in magnets. Ledger Stacks supports thousands of coins and tokens, allowing you to confidently buy, sell, swap, and stake cryptocurrencies. It connects seamlessly with iOS, Android smartphones, and desktop computers, providing a comprehensive crypto management experience. If you're ready to buy, click Add to Cart. From here, proceed to checkout. Enter your name, shipping address, and payment information. It's that simple. Once your order is placed, all you need to do is wait for your Ledger Stacks to arrive. Your Ledger Stacks has arrived. Let's unbox it and get it set up. Inside the box, you'll find your Ledger Stacks, a USB-C cable, and a getting started guide. First, power on the device. Next, you'll want to connect it to your smartphone or computer. You can do this via Bluetooth or with the USB-C cable provided. Once connected, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your wallet. You can even personalize it by adding custom NFT images, making your Ledger Stacks truly yours. Now that your Ledger Stacks is set up, let's explore Ledger Live. Ledger Live is a powerful app that lets you manage your crypto assets directly from your Ledger wallet. You can download Ledger Live for Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android. Once installed, open the app and select Get Started. Plug your Ledger Stacks into your computer or connect via Bluetooth. With Ledger Live, you can check your balance, send and receive assets, and explore additional features like staking your crypto to earn rewards or even buying more crypto directly through the app. To recap, Ledger Stacks offers unbeatable security, convenience, and versatility, making it the perfect choice for managing your crypto assets. And with Ledger Live, you have all the tools you need to stay on top of your investments, right at your fingertips. If you're ready to take control of your crypto security, visit the Ledger website today and order your Ledger Stacks. Don't forget to check out the full range of products and services Ledger offers. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.